how to fix Microsoft Authenticator app not sending code. So to resolve this issue, you can try the following steps. By the way, this is some official Microsoft, yes, the officials actually. So it's a comment and a reply, but it should be reliable since there are a few positive reviews on it. So to do this, you can check if the Microsoft Authenticator app is up to date. You can update the app from the App Store or on your mobile device. In your iOS Android device settings, please make sure that the battery optimization is turned off for Microsoft Authenticator app and is allowed to run in background. And then ensure that your mobile device is connected to the internet and has a stable network connection. The Microsoft Authenticator app requires an internet connection to send verification codes. Then you can just check if the app has the necessary permissions to send notifications. So on your mobile device, go to Settings, Apps, Microsoft Authenticator, and then Permissions. Then there you can just ensure that the app has permission to send notifications. If none of the above steps work though, you can try using an alternative verification method such as the phone call or text message to pretty much just verify your identity. If the issue still persists though, you can contact your college IT support team for further assistance and to try and reset the auth methods registered against your account. For more information on how to troubleshoot with the Microsoft's Authenticator app, you can refer to the following documentations over here. So, hopefully the information of this video can help you though, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.